What it do, YouTube, man? How y'all been, man? It's been a little minute. I got a project for y'all today. I'm trying to start on it today. I only got like an hour and some change to work, so I won't get too far today. But yeah, I want to give a shout out to my guy LSXB. You know what I'm saying? He kind of put me on about this, so I'm gonna give a shout out to him. But yeah, you got that kilmat. It was pretty cheap on eBay. It was, I mean, on Amazon. You know, I'm an Amazon man. I get everything from Amazon. But it was a pretty decent price. I think I paid like $80 for I think it's 30 square feet if I ain't mistaken. We gonna see how it go though. Right now I'm gonna probably just be able to get my my seats out. Let me see, I ain't even open it. You know what I'm saying? That kilmat. Ugh. See what it's talking about. They were saying how it was thin, but ain't too thin to me. I mean, I don't know, it's decent to me. I'm wondering if this gonna be enough. I might order another like 10 square feet just to be safe. When I start, I don't want to stop. So right now today, I'm gonna probably be able to pull the seats, maybe pull the carpet, hopefully, because I ain't got a lot of time for the day. So I'm finna get to it, man. The tools you're gonna need so far to do this is a socket, 18 millimeter socket, a screwdriver. I got a drill because I guess I'm fancy or something. And these little rollers. You really only need one, but I ordered like a 3-piece set. It was the same amount as the one. The kilmat, and I'm missing one thing: a box blade to cut it. You know, cut the holes in it where you gotta put your. Dirty, these look clean. Ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. I'm really thinking it's not gonna be enough kilmat, but I was trying to order like enough, like a extra 10 square feet, and they ain't have it. Like, so if I do it, I'm gonna have to order a whole nother 30 square feet, and it wasn't $80, y'all. It was $57.99. I checked on it yesterday trying to order an extra batch. I might end up having to order an extra case. All right, y'all. I finally got the trunk done. I got the top part of the trunk done and everything. It ain't the best, but hey, I feel like I did pretty good. I'm proud of myself. You see, I done cut that out. All the cutouts, you know, you gotta make sure you get all your holes pointing out. Make sure you get every part. I got every piece. You know what I'm saying? I'm proud of this cut right here. I feel like I was doing something professional. I cut this part out. Got my wires sticking out. You know what I'm saying? I pulled this out. Got behind there. Hey, I'm trying to touch everything right now. I done ran out of light. I done ran out of daylight. It's getting dark. I can't see much. But we got a good... Man, I hope I'm doing this right. But we got a good amount done. I thought this was gonna be the easy part, but it got these little dips. Made it a little sketchy, man. Everything coming through though. Got most of that. Got most of the tunnel. Make sure I cut out the holes. You gotta make sure you cut out them holes for my interior guy told me to make sure I cut the holes, like, you know, give it a lot of space wherever a hole is. So I ain't really got to worry about this too much because it's kind of off the, it's kind of on a little stump thing. So I thought I had more than enough too, man. I'm almost out. I got like a couple sheets left. I got 4 sheets left. And it's not that hard, but it dang sure is time consuming. I'm gonna tell you that much. If you wanna do this, clear out about 2 days. And that's non-stop. Like, I've been starting and stopping. You're gonna need about 2 days to finish all this. But I got about 3 hours of work, 2-3 hours of work left, and I'll be done. So I got about 75% of the job done, and I ran out of material, and I tried to order it through Amazon, but Amazon, it was gonna be like a month and a half for them to ship it because you know, this stuff going on, this virus going on. So I just had to go to a local stereo shop and get some different type of sound deadener. It was gonna be mismatched, but hey, it works. And plus, man, this little virus stuff has been a pain in the ass, really. I've been going through it with this, but we're gonna get it done though. I don't even think I got enough to finish it out, so I'm gonna have to go grab some more. But they was taxing $20 a sheet, which is just outrageous to me. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. We're gonna get this done. Slow keeping the pain. I'm really over it, to be honest. We're gonna get it done, knock it out, and on to the next. But this is what it looks like. This is what I'm saying. It's this much. $20 a sheet for this much. It's crazy. I paid $40 for 2 sheets, which it seemed like I'm gonna need 2 more sheets for the doors. And just go ahead and finish this out, because I'm over it. All right, man. I finally finished up on it. It looked like Frankenstein in here, but hey, it's finished. Got the whole everything, the top, everything. Look like Frankenstein on the right, on the passenger side, but that's cool. Now, I mean, it all do the same thing. Don't be out here talking about my car now. But hey, it's all getting covered up. Ain't no worry. This is what I got from the speaker shop. Yes, sir. I'm proud of myself a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Everybody giving me compliments on what I did. On the door, I ain't really want to cover any of these bolts and screws, so I just kind of, you know, went around all the little screws. You see, it's screws everywhere, bolts and screws everywhere. So I went around everything I could. I even got some on the inside of the door. Ooh, I gotta press that a little better. Got some on the inside of the door. And the same thing on the passenger side. I mean on the driver's side, same thing. Basically, same pattern. Yeah, man, she all finished up. Proud of myself, man. Yeah, she finished now, so man. Interior shop tomorrow. She'll be in interior shop, so I'm gonna throw the seats on there. Finish that out. Go ahead and drop off tomorrow morning at the interior shop. Hopefully he have my car for about 2-3 weeks. He should have half of the stuff wrapped. We'll see though, man. You know how them shops go, but man, make sure y'all share, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Hit that. Trying to get me to 1,000. Well, I'm gonna take a little step. 500. Then 1,000 next. But yeah, man, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Anyway, man, I'll see y'all next time, man. Peace.